Hello my friends, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to join the Roblox Anime Rangers X Discord server. Guys, just type in the prompt Anime Rangers X Discord. And guys, as you can see, we're going to have this one first, but you need the X version, right? So Anime Rangers X, that's what we're joining. Press on that. So this is going to be just a like a bridge website to join the server. As you can see, 40,000 members, that's the one we want. Join Discord server, and as you can see, I'm already logged in with my account. Now you can just press accept invite, like that. All right, and you can either choose to continue in the Discord Windows desktop application, which I will not do. I'm just going to press on continue to Discord, and as you can see guys, now I am successfully in this server. Welcome to Anime Rangers. For example, let's choose Portuguese. Right. Let's take server all pings or video ping, finish. These are just your preferences and questions. And as you can see now, guys, we are successfully in the server. Now we need to just pass the verification. So to pass the verification, I suppose you can just press on this button. Okay. All right. So yeah, basically pass the verification, and after that you can just start chatting. There's going to be a chat that will pop up in here. And of course, guys, good luck using this application, or sorry, the server, and have fun, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.